Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Humaira Kabir from Khulna, Bangladesh. I am working as a volunteer at a Beth Helpers think tank. Currently, I am participating in a 2-month AI boot camp in leadership at Rehan Allahwala Teachers Institute. Welcome back to my another review video. My today's video is about cybersecurity in the age of AI by Adi Irani. In his TED Talk Youth presentation, Adi Irani delves into the escalating challenges of cybersecurity in our increasingly AI driven world. He emphasized that the dual nature of AI is potential to both bolster and undergaming digital security. Through compelling example and real-world scenarios, Irani underscores the urgency of addressing their emerging threats. Key takeaways: AI is a double-edged sword. Irani illustrates how AI, while a powerful tool for innovation, can be exploited by malicious actors. He demonstrates this by prompting an AI model to generate to polymorphic, self-encrypted virus or type of malware that alerts its code a bad detection. This example highlights the ease at which AI can be harnessed for nefarious purpose. The rise of AI enhanced social engineering beyond technical explains AI powers in language generation poses significant risks in social engineering. Irani presents a scenario where AI crafts a personalized phishing email large targeting an individual named John Doe. By leveraging publicly available information, the AI generated message becomes alarmingly convincing, increasing the likelihood of the victim falling prey to the scam. Data vulnerabilities in major corporations, highlighting real-world implications. Irani reference to significant data branches at Toyota in 2023, where millions of users' accounts were compromised over a decade-long period. This case exemplifies how even industry gains can fall victim to prolonged and cyber attacks, emphasizing the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Empowering defense through AI. While AI can be a tool for attackers, Irani advocates for its use in defense. He suggests employing AI to analyze and summarize conflicts, terms, and conditions, enabling users to make informed decisions about data sharing. Detect and flag potential phishing attempt by recognized patterns typical of AI-generated scams. Assist developers in writing secure code by handling repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on overleading system security. Final thoughts. Adi Irani talk serves as a clarion call for heightened awareness and protective measures in the realm of cybersecurity. He completely argues that as AI continues to evolve, so too must to strategies to safeguard against its potential minuses. By embracing AI is both a challenge and a solution. We can strive for a more secure digital future. That's a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys like my video. We will meet and again with another review video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.